combination of thin lenses in contact. So you are taking one lens here, another lens you are placing close to this. There is no gap between these two lenses, and they have a common principal axis here. So let's say this is the common principal axis over here. On this principal axis you will place the object. So here our principal axis, let's place the object, any object over here, and let's call it as O, and a ray of light is going through this O, and because of that you are getting a final image at I. Now be very careful, this image I is because of both the lenses. This is lens A, this is lens B. Now we know from our previous lectures that this image I was not at this place if there was only lens A. If there was only lens A, then image must be formed somewhere away from the current position. So here it will be I1. I hope this is clear. Now I1 is what? Intermediate image. The image which is supposed to be formed if there was no lens B. So let's say this is your object distance U. This is negative, this will be negative. This is your image distance V, final image distance, and intermediate image distance is V1. We will make use of very important concept here. Let's say the focal length of the first lens is f1 and the focal length of the second lens is f2. So what we can say, for lens A, 1 by V minus 1 by U equals 1 by F. Lens maker's formula. So this will be 1 by F1 and this will be 1 by V1. What is 1 by V1? The image formed by the first lens. This is our equation 1. Now we know that the image formed by the first lens that acts as an object for the second lens. Let me repeat. The image formed by the first lens that acts as an object for the second lens. So for lens B, 1 by V minus, this is what? This is the final image, 1 by V1. Why 1 by V1? Because this is acting as an object for the second lens, equals to 1 by F. This is equation number 2. If I add equation 1 and equation 2, 1 by V1 will cancel in both the cases and you left with 1 by V minus 1 by U. That will be equals to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Now what is 1 by V minus 1 by U? That is your combined focal length 1 by F. That will be equals to the sum of individual focal lengths 1 by F1 and 1 by F2. Now what we have learnt as power. Power is inverse of focal length. So here 1 by F is nothing but P, and the combined power of these two lenses will be the sum of the individual powers of these two lenses. Now if there are n thin lenses, n means any n number of thin lenses, then the combined focal length expression can be written as 1 by F will be equals to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 plus ... 1 by F. Similarly, the combined power can be written as P1 plus P2 plus ... Pn. These are the two important expressions while solving the numericals.